Hello everyone, how are you? Today I want to do a bit of DIY here because my car having the cooling coil issue. So my aircon gas all leaking out. So I just sent to the shop to replace the cooling coil yesterday. So everything looks fine, but because when they replace the cooling coil, whole dashboard need to move out, including all this thing. And they forgot to plug back my socket of this light indicator, and this one that's not functioning. The light is gone. This one also not functioning. Can shift gear just the light and the front parking sensor not working. I think he forgot to plug in the wire socket inside here. So I will show you how to remove this whole thing to connect back my socket. Okay, this whole panel. It's not difficult. Okay, what you need is a kind of a clip opener, plastic one, or you can use screwdriver also can. So the process is, this thing is very easy one. This thing is, you can just pull you out. Okay, but first you need to remove this gear knob and the boot first. Remove this gear knob and boot up, and then we start pulling out this whole plastic panel. Okay. Let's check again. Okay, lights. Everything looks fine. So you put some grease to smoothen the locking the locking mechanism here.